Hi there! In this video, you will learn to display a character based on the learner's choice. We will do 3 things. At first, we will display 2 characters to the learners on the screen. And then we will ask the learner to choose one of the 2 characters. Once the learner selects a character, we will display the selected character on all the slides of the course. So, let's get started with a plan. On the first slide, we will display 2 characters. When the user selects a character by clicking on it, we will store some value in a variable. And then we will insert 5 example content slides. On these slides, we will insert both characters. And then using the stored value from the variable, we will display one of the 2 characters on the slides. This is our small plan. Let's execute it. As you can see, a blank project is open in Articulate Storyline 360. Let's insert 2 characters on the slide. Now, create a variable called character number. Add triggers to these characters. Select the first character and add a trigger. In the Action option, select Adjust Variable. In the Variable option, ensure that the character number variable is selected. Now, what value should we store in the variable when the learner selects the character? Let's type 1. 1 will be stored upon selection. Close the trigger window. Now, select the second character and add a trigger. In the Action option, ensure that the Adjust variable is selected. In the Variable option, select the character number variable. Here, let's enter 2 as the value. So, 2 will be stored in the variable upon selection of the second character. Close the trigger window. We have set up the situation. Let's add 5 slides where we will use these characters. Also, let's add slide numbers so that we can recognize each slide. Insert the woman's character in the second slide. This time, let's change her pose to something else. What about this pose? Do you like this? I like this. Let's use it. Now, go to the States tab in the bottom panel. We will edit the state of this character and insert another character into it. Create a new state and name it Second. Now, delete the woman's character from this state. And insert the man's character here. Let's change his pose as well. Do you like this pose? I like this. Let's use it. Click Done. We will display the normal state when the user selects the woman's character and display the second state when the user selects the man's character. Now, let's add a trigger to do this. While keeping the character selected, add a trigger. In the Action option, select Change State of. In the State option, select Second. Change the When option to Timeline Starts. It will execute the trigger when the timeline start on the character. Now, when do we want the second state? We want the state when the variable value is 2. So, add this condition in the Conditions section. Select the character number variable. In the blank enter 2. Close the trigger. Now, let's copy this character and paste it into the remaining slides. Our project is ready. Let's preview it. Select the man's character. Now, let's go to the other slides and see if the character has changed. And as you can see on the slides, it is the man's character. Let's select another character and check on the other slides. And as you can see, the character has changed. Congratulations on learning this feature of Articulate Storyline 360. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.